ready to formalize your next big collaboration and ensure everyone's on the same page from day one. Today, we're diving into how to create a rock-solid partnership agreement using DocuSign, making your collaborative ventures official, secure, and legally sound. First, log into your DocuSign account once you're in. Find and click the prominent Send a Document or Create Envelope button. This is where your contract journey begins. Next, you'll upload your partnership agreement template. You can either drag and drop your document file directly into the upload area, or click to browse your computer and select it. DocuSign supports a wide variety of file formats. Now for the crucial part, adding your and your partner's information and signatures. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel of standard fields. Click and drag elements like signer, date signed, and text fields onto your document where you want them to appear. Assign each field to the correct participant by clicking on it and selecting their name from the drop-down. After placing your signature and initial fields, scroll down to Add Recipients. Enter your email address and your potential partner's email address. Make sure to assign them the correct roles. Typically needs to sign. You can also configure advanced options here, like requiring identity verification for enhanced security, or setting a specific signing order if needed. Once you've assigned all fields and recipients, click Next. Before sending, you'll get to customize the email message that your partner receives. Add a clear subject line and a concise message explaining the document they need to review and sign. Finally, hit Send. And that's it. Your partnership agreement is now sent. You can track its status in your DocuSign dashboard. Once signed by all parties, you'll both receive a fully executed, legally binding copy, ensuring your collaboration starts on a foundation of clarity and protection. Happy partnering.